Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Welcome to another unboxing and testing. So ngayon meron tayong ENC Glock 17 Gen 5 code number AC1102. This is gas blowback pistol po, airsoft. And may kasama na siyang bala, 4,000 na isang pack, .23. Meron na rin pong kasamang 12 na pop dino green gas. Ayan. ENC brand po. Ayan. Glock 17 Gen 5. Airsoft pistol. Manual. Ito yung unit. Ayan. Gas blowback. Gen 5 24 rounder magazine, gas mag. Okay, ito yung bala and testing. Lagay tayo ng gas 3 to 5 seconds. Shoutout po natin si Sir Clark. Shoutout sa inyo dyan, sir. ENC Glock 17 Gen 5. Okay, gas blowback. So, nababaklas din siya. Pagka babaklasin, kailangan walang magazine. Disassembly latch, kabilaan sabay baba. Ayan. Okay. Bigyan natin ng oil. Okay, and testing Glock 17 Gen 5 gas blowback airsoft pistol. Testing. Okay, open slide, release mag, and hammer down. All goods. Glock 17 Gen 5 by ENC gas blowback airsoft pistol.